Yo, what's poppin'? It's your boy TJ. I wanted to show you how gold's going to go. We're gonna wait for the 1793 sells, which is up here. Pretty obvious what gold's done. Last week, push up on the 3rd of December. This lower high here, we seen it push up to 1793. Then what happened is it come up to the highs, push all the way back down, which we predicted. I predicted. I knew gold's gonna go long. However, as you can see here, we touched twice. This lower high, bullish push up engulfing, come back down to retest. 76.6 can be broken from NFP and FOMC news. Therefore, we're going for buys. It's got a retest as well because it's done a massive pullback, which I'm going to explain in this video as well. However, we're going to expect 1793, 1794 sells around here area. I'm going to go and retest these highs at 1774. So we're going to see something like this on the chart. We're going to see it push up here, retest, pull all the way back to these highs up here where it pushed up. It's going to retest here because that's what gold does. So around this area here is where we're looking to get our buys in. That's probably later in the day, or if not, within the next few days. Then once it touches around here, we'll catch the sells up here, pull all the way back down to around here, and then go for buys all the way to 1804, 1882 to 1804. And the reason is because the push down from the 1865 was all the way down here. 1802 is the lower high formed, which is right here. 1802 here and 1810. It's not going to go to 1810 because this was already wick outs. These were already the wick outs in 1810. Okay, so you can ignore this right here. It's not going to go back up there because it's on a bearish downtrend. So the retest on the daily, just to show you because it's more clear on the daily. Look how gold shaped up. We pulled back down here, gone back up, spiked up at 1816, can't break through 1808, and this was the big sell 1808 all the way down to 1760. Just to make it a bit obvious for you. So therefore, we're going to retest a certain level before dropping again. That level is this daily lower high at 1802. This lower high here will act as resistance into sells because it won't go above 1808. Therefore, that's complete. It won't do that because that's breaking out of the structure and going on the yearly bullish trend now. So therefore, if we're going down to the yearly trend, this lower high here is going to respect. So we're going to pull back 1773 all the way back up to 1802, 1803, 1804. It could be an impulsive, could be manipulation. So that's why I'm saying 1802 to 1804. So we've got to get in around that point all the way back down to 1750, which is another key level in gold. Let me just show you 1750 on the daily. 1750 right here, massive level, as you can see. Multiple touches, 1678, 1750 touch. You know what I'm saying? 1715 is a key level for gold. Therefore, we will end up touching that at some point before the end of the year because gold is on a yearly downtrend. Once we get a 1750 pullback, as you see here, 1722. Once we get a 1750 pullback, then we'll start going for longs because gold will have to pull back at some point to wick out all of these buyers to then go into another direction. You know what I'm saying? Because it wants to wick them out, tap their SLs out. Because if people thinking buys now and you see the 1808, 1802, 1803 pullbacks, sells, that will wick them all out, take the price down to here, and then go bullish again. You'll probably see some big wick out around here, taking out these lower highs, and then price go bullish for next year in 2022. That's my prediction. Waiting for the 1793, 1794 sells, down to 1773, 74. Then from 1773 to 1774, we're going for buys to 1803, 1802, and then sells there to 1750. So a lot of pips still to catch in December. Let's go, baby. You got to be patient. Don't FOMO in. And let's get some pips, baby. Subscribe, like this content if you enjoyed this little breakdown, if it's going to help you. And only time will tell if I'm correct. So peace.